Right. So right now I'm about to do a creamy mushroom soup, and basically this is the Haitian spice. So we got oil, we got green onions, we got bell peppers. You could put the tricolor bell peppers, green onions, and you could put some onions in it. You put garlic, and I usually put cloves in it as well. You put a little oil, and then you put it in a blender. You blend it till it gives you that paste, and you put salt, pepper. I usually use Badia, or I use Maggi in mine. So that's basically it. It's very simple. You could do it at home. Again, it's green peppers, green onion. Some of you knows as you could put some shallot if you want to. You put green onions, green peppers, and you put the garlic clove, oil, salt, Badia, and also you could also put parsley, fresh parsley or cilantro in it, and that'll be it. That's the finished product. Yes, we got the Haitian spice and mushroom. It's gonna be a creamy mushroom, so with heavy cream, the Haitian spice, got some basil, and little parsley. And you could put, I already put the heavy cream, so almond milk to give it that taste. Basically, that's it. And if you wanna bring it, you wanna give it some more like lumps, you could cut some more mushroom, put in it, and basically this is a very simple soup. The recipe, it's easy. It's mushroom, heavy cream, a little milk, salt, pepper, Badia, and you put some parsley, and you're ready to go. And you wait, since it's a creamy, you want to make sure that it's not too liquid. You want it to have a good consistency. And the taste, it's a must, because you know all soup, it's all about the taste and what you put in it. So that's this one right here. It's vegan, there's no meat, and it's vegetable stock as well. So there's nothing of vegan. You could eat it, you could drink your soup, and it doesn't take it. I would say it could at least take you 5 during prep, and making it could take you like 5 to 10 minutes, prepping included, to make your soup. And basically you let it simmer. So it's getting a little too thick, so I'm gonna add some milk. That's how you want it to look like. Real simple. All right. Ready to roll. just for, you know, if you want, you could put some fresh like, you know, cilantro, since that's what I got, like the parsley. Put some parsley. Okay. And here you have your creamy mushroom soup.